So Michelle and I are in Seremban and we found this amazing dim sum place. It's really authentic, lovely Chinese dim sum. If you like dim sum, this has to be the place in Seremban to go. Come on, join me. So Michelle recommended, your other Michelle, one of the sumai, hagao.
Hang. This one.
Le, okay. What's this one?
Seafood.
Steamed seafood dumpling. In Chinese, how you say?
Hoisin.
Hoisin?
Seafood.
Hoisin? Okay. One of these also, thank you. I'm trying to use some of my Cantonese. I haven't used it for such a long time. But I know all these dishes. Now, if you haven't been to dim sum before, you're going to love this because, look at the menu. I mean, quite often you'll get ladies come round. Sometimes they come round with a trolley and you get to pick off of the trolley what you want. But I just had a chat with the staff here to see what's good. They suggested a few things. There's this beautiful pork. It's almost like a wonton, but she says they hand make them here, hand make them and stuff them. I've also gone for a seafood dumpling. Definitely going to have the dan tart, the Portuguese egg tarts. And Michelle and I are big fans of these. Well, is it me, Michelle, or is it both of us? Both of us, yeah. Of these sesame steamed. They're sort of like a fried bun. Okay. And guys, the tea I've ordered. Now, Michelle, you'll have a little tea, won't you? Let's try. So this must be the seafood dumpling, this one here. This is the one she was recommending. This is the handmade. Look at these dumplings here, Michelle. That is a pork dumpling. This one here, it's like a rice paper wrapped around pork. Absolutely beautiful. Other Michelle says these are all homemade here. I'm not going to put any soy sauce on them. I'll just try it as it is. Oh, wow. Very good. Let's try the tea. She said bole, but I asked for pur tea. Maybe I've got it wrong. Let's try. Oh, the tea is good. So I've got some little bowls. I'm going to put a little soy sauce. Although I'm going to... Oh, it's not. It's actually an oyster sauce. I've been wanting to have dim sum for a long time. Let's take us to Seremban. Thank you, Toche. These are good. I'm going to get another one of these.
Well, you can have other things.
I said to Michelle, I'm not really hungry, but they're some of the best I've had.
That was really good.
Really good. So, you want one? So this is a prawn dumpling?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I don't know why I thought it was a pork. I'm going to have a little bit of soy sauce with this one. Wow, the quality is really good. Michelle, they were very good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So you make them here, right? They make hand making here. Yeah. They're really good.
Yeah.
I had a lot of dim sum, and this is one of the best.
Best.
Yeah, I think so.
So when you go
Yeah, we go for this. So what's this one, Michelle?
The pork dumpling.
These are the pork dumplings, right? So I've ordered more. Look at these pork dumplings. I'm just saying to Michelle, the host here, and I should mention Joan, who we met yesterday, lovely lady who advised us to come in here. Have this with a little bit of heat, a little bit of chili. I've had a lot of dim sum around the world, and particularly in Hong Kong. The taste of these are as good as anything I've had anywhere. They're really, really good. We've ordered these little sesame buns also. They're a little sweet, and they've got sesame inside. So we'll save those and have them in a moment. I've just had a chat with the staff, and they've recommended a couple of other. I'm going for like a fried dumpling. This tea is really delicious as well. Here she is. Thank you. Thank you, I'm going to say. Thank you. So this one is a pork. What do they call it? Like
rice noodle with
rice
barbecue
noodle.
pork.
Yeah, I'm going to try one of these deep fried wontons. They look nice, don't they? Dip it in a little soy sauce. This place is excellent. Really good. I'd come to Seremban just for the dim sum. Yeah, it's so clean and fresh in here as well. I know there's music on and we might get copyrighted for it. I'm going to go for another one of these. This was the prawn one, wasn't it, Michelle? I think prawns?
Seafood.
Seafood. Maybe with a little oyster sauce. It is delicious. Michelle, would you like one of these before I finish them? Have you had one of these yet?
Have one, you have that one.
Okay,
I
I'll have
one,
it.
you have that one.
And actually, I'm going to have it with a chili sauce. Exciting, exciting stuff. It's really good. So these are like a rice pancake wrapped with pork, and they've served it with that chili. So I'm gonna just see if I can cut it. Cut it in half. I'll try it without the chili sauce. I think it'd be nice with the chili sauce, but I'll try it without. Oh yeah. The rice noodle is quite plain. Its flavour is quite subtle, so that's why you've got this delicious shrimpy chili sauce with it. I'm going to pop a load of that on there, and we'll give that a try. Yeah, that's really good. If you're not good with chopsticks, they will provide
They
knife
are,
and forks.
as I can see, spoon and forks there.
But you can use chopsticks, you know, even to cut the dumplings. Just get them in here, do a little sort of crisscross action. They're quite easy to cut. You want to try some of those? Pass your plate over, Michelle. I'll put a few pieces on there. That's got a barbecue pork inside, char siu. Right, I've got to concentrate because we're trying to get all these camera shots and I'm letting my food go cold. That chili paste is really quite nice. I know it's not super hot.
No, I'm just going to show this.
I'm having a fried wonton. I'm actually going to put a little bit of this sauce on my plate because I want to dip it. So a bit of the oyster sauce. Looks like brown sauce, doesn't it? If you're English, you might think that's like a HP brown sauce. It is not. They recommend dipping this in this
Yeah, that's what it came with.
in this white sauce. I don't know what sauce that is. Oh, it's a mayonnaise. Now I don't know the etiquette, and I know I know a fair bit about dim sum, but I like to pick these up with my fingers. You can pick them up with the chopsticks, but it's much easier. So these are like a sesame bun. There's a lovely, rich, toasted peanut inside. So sesame coated fried ball. That's the best I've ever had, Michelle, and I'm not joking. That's the best I've ever had.
Tell you what they do remind me of, the lady who made the sesame balls, although these have got peanut in, but the lady who made the sesame balls
In Vietnam.
in Vietnam.
Yeah. But I have to say, cleaner.
The peanut.
Cleaner
lifts it.
and fresher, the
Yeah.
flavour.
Yeah.
I like that. I need the tea. I don't know if it'll work in here, but generally, if you take your teapot and just take the lid off and put it to the side, they will refill it for you with hot water. So Michelle's just finishing the fried dumpling. I said, you go for it. I haven't finished with the menu yet. It's funny because when we arrived here, I said I wasn't really hungry. It's a bit early in the day for me. Let's have a little look at this menu. Fried dumplings, stuffed croulière, Thai-style fried dumplings. Ooh, pan-fried stuffed chili. That looks kind of interesting. So I'm thinking of trying another dish. Is it too much? How many dishes have we had?
1, 2,
One,
3,
two,
4, 5, 6.
6. It's a little unusual, but I wonder about those stuffed chilies.
You might like those?
They remind me a little bit of chili en nogada.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Oh, and I've still got to order the dan tart, the egg tart, Portuguese egg tart. Now, most of the larger tables have a lazy Susan in the centre. That's what I love about dim sum. You get 8, 10 people around here, at least, and everybody just sharing, dipping in, talking, drinking tea. It's very good. It's very good. Beautiful. Best dim sum in a long time. Thank you. Take a look at these guys. Egg tarts. Flaky, Portuguese style, pasta de nata. They are so flaky. Now you get different types of dan tart or Hong Kong style egg tarts. Sometimes they burn the tops, which I love. I love it when they sort of like caramelize the tops. These ones are the more traditional sort of Hong Kong egg tarts. I like them both, to be honest. I've had them. I've had copious amounts of every one. I love the fact that a lot of couples have come in, they've had their food, they're just sitting here now, enjoying. Shall we have one, Michelle?
I think so.
I'll save one to have after the savoury if it comes. Did he remember my stuffed chilies? Maybe they're making them fresh?
Maybe. It's on the list.
Everyone looks so pretty, beautifully dressed. Chinese New Year. Will you look at that? So nice, crumbly bottom. Very eggy.
It's got the kaya in the bottom, underneath it, so the sugar. Can you see?
So they've got coconut sugar, a layer of coconut sugar at the bottom. Delicious.
Mine's more dark.
Michelle's is more dark colour.
Oh well.
Oh, and much richer.
Is it?
Tea's good. Ah, the tea's good.
The first cupful was good because it wasn't brewed.
You can't get coffee in here, and we both haven't had our morning coffee yet, have we? So I've got an idea. When we finish this, we go over the road to the other little restaurant, because there's so many great places to eat in Seremban. And we have a nice, rich, strong coffee just to finish off the morning with no food. Here's the chilies. Thank you, Doce. This is interesting. I've never had this before. This is like a stuffed chili, and I'm not even sure what it's stuffed with. I mean, it looks like chicken, doesn't it?
It does.
I don't think it can be chicken. Man. No, it's like a fish dumpling. Oh, very hot. Quite spicy.
Is it?
You have this one. Ooh, that is really hot.
Just that.
Yeah, it's got a real kick. Stuffed chili, toasted hot. And they're not. No, they are hot chilies.
You make me worried now.
I'm worrying Michelle. Got a lot of heat. Nice hot kick to them. So the last taste we're going to have from this place is going to be. It's a real nice hot.
I think you're a bit of a wimp. Obviously, the orange one isn't as hot.
Is that not so hot?
No.
Okay, mine was fire hot. Let me try the orange one. Yeah, that's a sweeter chili. you want a red one? The red ones are hotter. The red ones are definitely a much hotter chili. That's good. That's really good. But I am going to stop shy of finishing that off. And I'm going to share with you, Michelle, a little Dan tart. You have a bite, have a good bite out of that. The coconut caramel in the bottom. I'm done. I'm tapping out.
Order all be small.
Everybody can share.
Yeah, can share.
Yeah.
You're having more.
I talked with the staff. He's one of the captains here. And he's telling me that there are quite a few dim sum places here. This was one of I think one of the original ones. So now there's quite a few. There's a lot of options. So they've got to keep their game up to keep the people coming. But you can see it's full. But what he was saying to me is super true. I think we alluded to it in the video. Is that it's nice to come here with a family and friends, and you sit around the table and have the big dishes. And then, because he said that they do ginger fried chicken and chili prawns, and you can get big plates, you know, which are too big in the evening time. Yeah. So the plates are much bigger. They're not going to be like you wouldn't just want one plate of ginger fried chicken and rice. You might, but it's nice to have a big selection of food.
Chinese New Year is a low sun for the Yisang, you know, the Yisang.
Yisang?
Yeah, Yisang is a Chinese New Year. Kong Hei Fa Choi is a 1 year, 1 time. Just a low, it's a fat, it's a happy one. Yeah, this one's the old style. Okay, this one is a new style, the fruit one, the fresh fruits.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah, this one's the old
Isan for Chinese, Kong Hei Fa Choi, everybody. Michelle, and your name again?
That's why.
That's right.
That's why.
Okay.
恭喜發財。
恭喜發財，恭喜發財。
恭喜發財。
Thank you. From one Michelle to another Michelle.
That was lovely. That was
That
delicious.
was really good.
Yeah.
Now, we haven't had our morning coffee, so
No.
we're going to step over the road here, have a quick coffee. I don't think we're going to film from over there. It's over there. It's called Lao Yao Ki. Great coffee. But I highly recommend. And I thought it was Joan, but I think it's Joanne.
Yes.
Joanne, the lady that was here yesterday. Thank you, Joanne, for recommending us to come here. We had a great time.
We did.
All right,
Yeah, it was good.
sign off. See you the other side. Be good.
Bye.